Hold in the Windows key, tap All, tap CMD. If you receive a message like this or your command prompt just doesn't open, it has probably been disabled by the administrator. To re-enable it, hold the Windows key in, tap All, tap gpedit.msc, press Enter. Under the user configuration, double-click Administrative Templates. You may need to click All Settings or it may appear right there, depending on what version of Windows you have. But look for Prevent Access to the command prompt. It should be in alphabetical order so it's easy to find. If it's enabled, switch it to Not Configured. Press Apply or just press OK and it will exit out of the window by itself. Then you can exit out of that window yourself. Hold in the Windows key, tap All again, tap CMD, press Enter. As you can see, I've got access to my command prompt again.